Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutarek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol, how number 90890-97907. Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ka College Babhatam Nagabanta ka Jingpuli Nursing but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Pinyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo India but Shabari. Nabanta ka Jingpuli ka Jingseo ka Barik but Pila Banlayu ban Puli da ka Education Loan, Pila Ruban Shukol ho number Kandai Nyo Sao Sao San Rio Pranot, Lani Kandai Pran Rio Lisan, Arn Riwe Kandai Pra.
Hapring kajing isongkun na panha perdana ya second chief minister district level inter-school athletic meet Arjar Arpulai, Eastern West Khasi Hills district, Haka St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Nongkasen Hakasin Kabaar, Kalayo Bandra Biang ya kanam Lahduh, Dagaba Pliem, yaki Arpu nyo to ligi way park school, Kibalawan Banyashimenta Hakanika inter-school, Dagaba Kur Marway Hadu Southway to ligi takma, Kantop yak Hatnru to ligi takmak siar, Katnyo to ligi takamarupa, but Pratali takamaranong. Hapa phaipa chaka march pass balai shimantari ki arpu artali school na preng ki arpu nyotuli ke pendeng umyong Presbyterian School Mairang kalayora ya kanam Lahduh. Ya kani second chief minister district level inter-school athletic meet Arjar Apulai Eastern West Khasi Hills district kabalane laisngi lenter ya kabala pelong da ka office jong district sports officer ke West Khasi Hills district Nongstone lawan matpenha perdana do deputy commissioner jong ke Eastern West Khasi Hills district uba Ji Kharmau Plang. Lahduh ban perkenmau bagi nong job hakani ke inter school kinyo ya kalat bani mikmat ya ke district sya ke state level competition kaban salongshan.
Presbyterian Secondary School. Motto of the school is Mold and Shape the Child in God's Image. Commander Anilin Marganian Prakara Danyako Rani Prakara Sanda Dona Alkinshi.
Being here at this function for the first time, it has really impressed me looking at the kind of crowd and the kind of participation. In fact, I was informed by the DSO, this has been one of the biggest athlete contingent of participants in all the districts of Meghalaya. We have more than 1,000 participants today. It is indeed, we are very fortunate to see such mass participation of students. It shows that students who are the future of not only this district but of the community and the country as a whole, with their wholeheartedly participation in activities like sports and all, it brings us hope that in future we can look forward to a very healthy and prosperous student community, not only now but in the years to come. In fact, I must congratulate our district sports officer also and her team for this mass participation of students and schools. And though sports is a game where not everyone can get accolades, however, participation itself is the spirit of the game. So I congratulate each and every one of you who have participated, including the winners, and in all the functions that have been organized so far. And I wish you success in the days to come. I think some of you will be selected from the district to participate at the upcoming state level. My best wishes on behalf of the district administration. please maintain the sportsman spirit, be fair, be square, and be, don't be upset even if medals don't come into you, but then participation is what is most important. And sports is such an activity that, it will enhance not only your physical body, but even your mind and spirit. And from the district administration side, whatever support that we can provide, any one of you can please come over to my office. We are there to assist you in whatever help that we can render upon.
It's a go, go, go. He's going to reach the finishing line. Number 1, Tony Kong.